In this video, I'll show you how to upload or publish a post on Pinterest. First, open your browser and go to pinterest.com. You can log in using your Pinterest account, your Gmail, or even by scanning a QR code from the mobile app. Pinterest may ask you to verify your email. For now, we can skip this pop-up and do it later. Now, here's the Pinterest interface. To add a post, click the plus icon on the left side. You'll see three options: pin, board, or collage. Since we want to post it, click pin. Next, click the upload box to open your file explorer. Select the image you want to post. As you can see, my first upload didn't work because Pinterest only accepts images that are at least 200 by 300 pixels, so let's try again with another one. Once your image is uploaded, fill in the details. Add a title and a description. You can also paste a link where people can find more about your post. Next, select a board. A board is like a category for your content. You can create a new one and choose if it's public or private by checking the box below. Then, add tags. Tags are very important, especially for businesses, because it helps people discover your posts more easily. Under more options, you can adjust extra settings if needed, but for a simple post, you can skip that. Finally, click published and your pin is live. And that's how you post on Pinterest. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.